Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you this website. The website name is Autobitcoin. I make much more videos for since 2 years ago. I'm making video about this website. This website have a free coin. You can just watch short links, complete short links. You can earn coins and you can exchange your coin. Available link is this much. Every link pay you some coins. It is in here told you how much coin every link pay you. This will be have 24 hours. Every 24 hours this will be automatically reloaded and the new coins will be available to you can claim. After you claim your coins, now you can see I have this much coin FCT coin in my balance. I can claim one. Auto claim, the next way is a manual faucet. And after you click manual faucet, you can choose your favorite cryptocurrency you want to claim. Just click max to maximum your all balance you have. You can see this much LTC pay you and this much is bonus. Just click it, click capture, just click solve a capture and just click claim, and this will be added to your balance this much amount. And I go to my dashboard to show you how much balance I have in Litecoin in my balance. Right now I can withdraw or not. This much Litecoin I have in my balance and I want to withdraw this much balance of Litecoin instantly to my faucet pin. How I can withdraw? Just click withdraw. In here I just click withdraw Litecoin. In here you can see I make much more Litecoin from here. Right now this is another time I'm making claim, and just click faucet pay, just click maximum, click here, just click a short link you want. In here this will be automatically do it. Just click withdraw and this website pay you instantly to your faucet pay. I just pause the video. Now you can see this website send me my Litecoin is instantly to my faucet pay. If you work with this website for 1 week, in 1 week you 100% earn off of the Litecoin, and in 2 weeks you earn 2 Litecoin from here. Thanks for watching guys, and bye bye for now.